This is our other installment of linear programming in Excel, where we have we're trying to do a maximization problem subject to 3 constraints again. And today our objective is we have 3 different mixes of dog food, 3 different brands, and we're trying to mix up a mixture of it that for every 25 grams has no more than 50 units of calcium, because that's the maximum we can have. It has no more than 50 units of iron over here, and we're going to try to maximize the protein content here in units of protein for every 25 grams of food. So there's our constraints over here. We can't have it weigh more than 25 grams. Can't have any more than 50 units of calcium. Can't have any more than 50 units of iron. And we're going to try to maximize the amount of protein that this mixture has. We're going to do it by changing the amount of grams in these 3 cells. Okay, so just like last week, the way we do it is we have some product row of the sum of those times those in the array, and the same thing here, sum product of this array times that array, sum product of this array times that array, and here the protein. These are the amount of units of protein per gram, and then the grams are going to show up in each of these boxes for the 3 different foods. So that's the part Excel is going to do, is it's going to figure out how much of each of these kind of foods can maximize the protein subject to these weight and nutrition constraints. Okay, so we're going to let Excel do that part. Okay, so again we go to Solver, which is going to go off the screen here, and I'll bring up Solver. I'm going to bring Solver up into the middle of the screen. It's going to kind of block our array image for a moment, but really nothing's changed. We have the target cell, which is highlighted, and our target cell is the proteins. It's this box right here. It's the one we're going to try to maximize, and we're going to do it by changing these cells. That's the green cells. And it's going to be subject to those constraints. I had already previously set this up to kind of speed things up a little bit, but it's just the same as the last video. And then last, over in options, we want to assume it's a linear model and assume the solutions are not negative. And when we're all done, we hit OK. And when we're all done, we move this solver box down and just hit solve. Okay. Okay, so solver maximized the number of units of protein for every 25 grams of food. For every 25 grams, and it hit the max there, and it maxed out the amount of calcium in that 25 gram serving. We have 97 units of protein and 33 units of iron, which is less than the 50 units. And to get 97 units of protein, the maximum, we did it by getting 19.5 grams of Better Pet, 5.46 grams of Allpro. Those 2 add up to the 25 grams max, and we didn't use any of the Chowdown brand. So there it is, 97 units of protein for those 25 grams, and that's it.